Good morning, students. Today I will teach you articles. What are articles? A and the. So let's see. The is called the definite article. Why? A and N are the indefinite article. Why the is called definite article? Let's see with an example. Because the is used with definite things. For example, the house on the corner is for sale. Here we are talking about a particular house which is at corner and is for sale. So the is used before house. While we see the second example, there is a house for sale. Why we are using a before house? Because here we don't know which house is he or is are we talking about. There is a house which is for sale, but we don't know which house is for sale. So a is used. Let's see where a and the are used. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound even if the first letter is a vowel, right? Earlier in the junior classes we read A and the are used with your consonant while an is used with your A vowels, that is A, I, E, O, U. But now the definition has changed. What we need to do, we need to pronounce a word before writing any article. See an example here, a unit, a European, a 1 rupee note. You see, a is used before u, unit, where your u, e and o, all the three are your vowels, right? But when we are pronouncing it, when I am saying unit, the sound is of yaw. Yaw comes under your consonant sound. A European. The sound is again of yaw. Yaw falls under your consonant sound. So that's why we are using a before unit, though the word is starting from your vowel. A 1 rupee note. It's starting from O. O is your vowel, right? But still we are using a because the sound when we are pronouncing it, the sound is of wa, which is your again consonant. Now let's see where n is used. N is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound even if the first letter is a consonant. Again, what we need to do, we have to pronounce the word before using article. So, see an example, an R. Though the word is starting from consonant, H is your consonant, right? But still we are using N. Why? Because when we are pronouncing this word, the sound is of R. R. That is a vowel sound. And MP. The word am is your consonant, but when we are pronouncing it, the sound is of vowel. That is MP. A sound is coming, right? And X-ray. X is your consonant. Still we are using N. Why? Because when we are pronouncing X-ray, the sound is A, right? Which is your vowel sound. Now let's see where the is used. The is used when it is clearly understood who or what is meant. Means where you know the thing about which thing we are talking. Means the thing, if the thing is definite, then we use the. Example, have you finished with the novel I lent you? Here you can see before novel what we are using, the. Why? Because here in this sentence, in this example, he is talking about a particular novel that he has read, right? So the is used. Here, let's see where the is used. We say the sun, the moon, the sky and the earth, which is only one in universe and which is fixed, right? There we use the. The before superlatives. You must be aware about superlative degrees. So before superlative degrees we use the. For example, the best pen, the richest man. Best is your superlative degree, richest is your superlative degree. So we are using the before it. Before a singular noun to refer to a whole class or group. C. Singular noun but to refer a whole class. Let's say example. The dog is a faithful animal. See, dog. Dog is a singular noun, right? But here your dog is referring to the whole class of dog, right? Here we are not talking about a particular dog or a particular breed, but the whole dog community we are talking. Whole dog class we are talking in this. Let's see E with musical instrument. Example, he can play the flute. With any musical instrument, we will use the before it. We use the with the name of ocean, river, canals, mountain, groups, island groups and deserts, right? For example, if we say ocean, we take an example of ocean, that is the Pacific Ocean, right? The Black Sea. Or river, the Ganga, the Nile, and canals, the Panama Canal. For example, if we talk about mountain, the Himalayas, right? Island group, the West Indies, desert, the Sahara Desert. Alright. And let's see where articles are not used. Before any game names. If we are taking any sports name, so no article will be used there, right? For example, if I say he plays football, so no article is used before football. Or he loves cricket. Here also no article is used before cricket. A and N is not used with the uncountable nouns. The thing which is uncountable, there we don't use A or N. For example, sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar, which is uncountable, right? So we will not use any article. Third, no article with school, college, university, church, prison, hospital and bed. So no article base will be used with this. Fourth, name of people have normally no article. If any sentences are starting with any name, so no article is used before the name of any people. These were your articles. So go through it, and if you have any queries, you can ask. Thank you.